In today's video, I'm going to be giving you some helpful information. I've noticed the last couple of videos, you guys have been really grateful for the information that I gave you about 21 things about your Harley-Davidson motorcycle that you need to know, street glide, road glide comparison videos, and also the traveling tip videos, the things that you need to get prepared or you should take with you on the travel. So in today's video, I'm going to give you some very good information that I came across. So not going to be the most exciting thing, but I promise you, you're going to want to know this. So make sure that you stick around to the end. I'm going to roll the intro and then we're going to get started. All right, guys, welcome back. Now, if this is your first time coming to the channel, my name is Tall and this is YouTube channel Traveling Tall. And the channel is about test rides, tutorials, product reviews, demos, side-by-side comparisons, and traveling. But for those that are not familiar with the channel, especially those that haven't subscribed to the channel, please take the time to check out the videos in the channel's playlist. I have over 200 videos. A lot of new viewers and subscribers will have questions about me or the motorcycle. Being a 6'6" Harley-Davidson rider, there's a lot of modifications that I had to make to my bike. And also my street glide is a performance bagger, so it's had a lot of performance work done to it. So if you're interested in performance work, the best exhaust, the best seats, the best handlebars, the best suspension, definitely the best lights, and how to install those lights, how to do a lot of installs on the products that you see on my motorcycle, you make sure that you check out this channel because there's a plethora of videos for you to watch. It was about a year ago, a little over a year ago, 2 years actually, that I got the 2005 Road King that you see on this channel that I called Memphis. But during the build of the Road King, I encountered a problem where I wanted to replace a part. I didn't know the name of the part, and I definitely didn't know the part number. So I found this solution. So today I'm going to share that website with you. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so here we go. We're going to go to Ronnie's Harley-Davidson. It's actually shopronniesharleydavidson.com. I'll put a link in the description below. It's in Pittsfield, Massachusetts. So I've never been there before. I'm way in Tennessee, but thank you, Ronnie's Harley-Davidson, for putting this up. This has been super helpful. So guys, if you're anywhere near Ronnie's Harley-Davidson, stop by, say hello, buy a shirt, buy something from them just to show your support, or just tell them thank you. Okay, so the OEM Harley-Davidson parts finder right here. You're going to click that in the middle. And now it says right here, we're going to go to Street Bike, Harley-Davidson OEM Part Finder. Now my bike is a 2005, the Road King's a 2005 Road King. You see on this side they have Electric Glide Classic. They have all kinds of stuff. So here's the Road King injection, but mine is Road King Custom. So let's look at the Road King Custom. Here's a Road King Custom with fuel injection, and mine had fuel injection. I don't think it matters for the piece that I'm looking for, but we'll just click on that right here. Now you can search over here, description or part number. I don't know what it's called. Well, I do now, and then I didn't have the parts number. So if you have those things, you can put it in over there and find it easy. But if you don't have those things, then you have to go over here, click on parts diagram. Now on the side over here, you'll see this, it says engine and all these little exploded diagrams of the engine. But the thing that I was looking for was not had anything to do with the engine. So I'm going to hit thumbnail pop-up. Now check this out. You see now it says air cleaner, assembly, belt, camshaft, chain. So it has the major categories of the bike, breaking everything down. What I'm looking for is something that goes on the headlights, a nacelle that goes on top of the headlight. So we're going to go try to find something that has to do with the headlight. There we go. Headlight assembly with a nacelle. Click on that. And look at this. Don't know why that was pulled up like that, but now you see this. This, hopefully you can see, this is the visor that I took off because it's Road King Custom. Once I took that off, this thing was behind it. See that thing right there? Was behind it. I didn't want that, okay? Because when this comes off, there's a big hole right there, and I wanted the one that goes on the Road King Classic instead of the custom. So, but also, you see right here, this is the actual nacelle, the housing for the headlight. So this right here is exactly what I was looking for. This nacelle trim right here. So, or I'll call it a sphere. It's I don't know what the technical name is. I done forgot that already because I've already bought it. But this is part number. It says 3132. So I go down here and I look. I don't see a 31. They skip straight from 30 to 32, but I do see a 32, and it's right here, 32, right there. So I can take this part number right here. If I was looking for that one, I can take that part number right there, copy it, or just call my local parts dealership at the Harley-Davidson dealer and ask them, can they order that for me? Again, this came off my bike, the little chrome shield, which is number 16. What is that called? It's called the deflector wing chrome. And then number 30 came off my bike, cover handlebar chrome. And with these three things coming off, because after I took this one off and this one off, that one was too short. And that no longer worked. So I had to get something that was gone. This was gone. That was too short. And this had to be changed out too. So let me show you what I did. All right, guys, so I remember this now as I'm going through this. The Road King, the little piece that I was looking for, the nacelle trim that I was looking for, was a little tricky on this because even though when I went to the Road King Classic, it came up with the same exploded diagram. Let me show you. Parts diagram here, thumbnail pop-up. Let's go back down here to headlight and nacelles, headlight assembly with nacelle, and you'll see it still has the same pop-up here. But the part number now, remember when I told you it didn't have 31, but the part number down here now has 31. Nacelle trim. So that actually is a different, let me pull it up on the other one. Do the same thing, show you that again. So yeah, the one for the custom, it's actually saying it's 32, the nacelle trim piece right here. And the one for the classic, the one which I ordered, still had the same exploded diagram, but it was 31. It's not a perfect situation, but you can at least get the parts person to the part that you need. Now, that was a peculiar situation right there. But let me show you something that made it. I'm going to go to my 2019 and show you this little thing that I had to buy 3 different times. Not because of anything other than, I take my seat off and on a lot because I run a tour pack on there. And when I have the tour pack on there, when I'm traveling, it plugs up under the seat because it has brake lights on it. Well, I don't like the way tour packs look on my motorcycle. So always when I get to my destination, I take it off. So my seat has been on and off a lot. And you guys know those little C-clips, now that I know that they are, I still don't know the technical name for it, they go on the back of that fender nut. They fall off when you have your seat on and off a lot. And if it ever fell off on you, then you got to find some kind of way to get it back on the bike by reaching up under the fender, which I got a video about that probably a year ago. Make sure you check that out. Show you a real easy way to get that done. We're going to go back to menu, OE parts finder, and street bike right there. Now my Street Glide is 2019, and it is a Street Glide standard. So we're going right here where the Street Glide FLHX Street Glide. Same situation, parts diagram right there. Use a thumbnail pop up. wiring harness. Everything gets a little bit more complicated when you get to those newer bikes. Let's see. Let's go with the fender. I guess the seat would be more like the rear fender because that's where that screw actually goes. Yes. All right. So this is the rear fender for the Street Glide. But what I need goes right there. You can see that. So it's not on this one. So let's go a little bit further. Let's find something that says seat. Seat assembly with backrest. There we go. So you gotta be a little bit of a detective. If it's not where you need it, then just think about the next biggest part, and that would be the seat. And there it is. That goes into the fender. That's the seat thumb screw that goes into this little piece right here. See that piece? Let me blow it up for you. So that's number 9. So we're going to go down here. Number 9, and that is called a seat nut kit. A seat nut kit with nut retention washer. A little $2.99 part. When I call my local parts department, all I need to do is ask for a seat nut kit with a retention washer, or just, if I'm ordering offline, copy that and paste that into my search window to find it online and order it right offline. Or since Ronnie's is nice enough to have this up on their website, get the part off of it and call Ronnie's and tell them to send it to your house. There's a lot of things that we don't know the name, the technical name, but by having this website with these exploded diagrams, it will definitely help you out, especially if you're trying to do some modifications to your bike or repair your own bike or whatever. This will be very helpful to you. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. But again, if you're interested in test rides, tutorials, demos, product reviews, product installations, and traveling, click the videos link, check out all the videos. And guys, if you appreciate videos like this and the time it took to upload them, please show your support by hitting that subscribe button. Guys, I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more like it, again, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep gliding. And as always, have a blessed day.